Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing how to factorize quadratic expressions. Now if you want to know how to make quadratic expressions, I have linked my video detailing that in the description below. So let's start. So first we'll take a look at this expression. One thing that's important are these two numbers. We have to find two numbers which multiply to 6 and add up to make 5. So first let's write the factors of 6, which will be 1 and 1 times 6, 2 times 3, 3 times 2, and 6 times 1. Now we know that 6 plus 1 is 7, so it can't be the first one, and it can't be the fourth one because it's the same thing. So what we are left with is 2 times 3 and 3 times 2, which makes 5. So these are our two numbers. Now what we'll do is we'll separate this into those two numbers. So x squared plus 2x plus 3x plus 6. So now let's put it into brackets. We'll start with x plus 2, the first one, and then we'll put it into brackets. But you can see this is also x plus 2 but multiplied by 3. So we'll write it like that. So we'll put 3 in front of here to equate this, and then since it's x squared, we'll put another one, x plus 2. And now we can simplify this even further by putting it 3 plus x and x plus 2. And now we have factorized the quadratic expression. Okay, so now we got another new expression, so please feel free to pause the video and try it out yourself. So let's find the answer to this. We have to find two factors which multiply to 20 and add up to 9. So first let's write the factors of 20, which is 1 and 20, 2 and 10, 4 and 5, 5 and 4, and then 10 and 2. So 20 and 1. We know that 1 plus 20 is 21, so that's not the two numbers. 2 plus 10 is 12, so no. Same goes for these last numbers. So it has to be 4 plus 5, which is equal to 9. So we'll write it in brackets. So we'll separate these two numbers. So x squared plus 4x plus 5x plus 20. Now we can write it in brackets. Write this equation first. It's x plus 4, and then we'll put 5 in front of it because, and this equates to this. Now we'll write this normal one, so it's x plus 4. And now we can simplify this even further by writing 5 plus x plus 4. Now even if you had written it as x plus 5 times x plus 4, that is also correct, because once you multiply these two numbers together, it comes back to this equation. So if you have done something along the likes of this, you are correct. Now let's move on to something a little bit tricky. See if you can solve this one for yourself. So let's start again with the factors of 6. Something that adds up to this and something that multiplies to make this. So the factors of 6 will be 1, 6, 2, 3, 3, 2, and 6 and 1. Now, as you can see, this is just minus x, right? So how can it add up to be anything? We can see that both of these terms are minus, and when we are expanding the brackets, we multiply the numbers. So we know that minus multiplied by minus is equal to plus, plus multiplied by plus is equal to plus, minus multiplied by plus is equal to minus, and plus multiplied by minus is equal to minus. So one of these numbers has to be minus. Now we have to find a number, two numbers, which end up as minus 1. So 1 minus 6 equals minus 5, so it's minus 5, so it's not this. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. 6 minus 1 is 5. So it's not this and it's not this. So it's 2 minus 3. So now we can separate these numbers out. And if you're wondering why it's minus 1, it's because this is, it's actually 1x, but we don't usually write the 1. So now we'll divide this number. So now we'll divide these numbers. So x squared minus 3x plus 2x minus 6. Now we'll put these into brackets. So it will be here is our next expression. See if you can figure this out for yourself. Please feel free to pause the video and I will be continuing. So like last time, we'll find the factors that make up 6. So it is 1, 6, 2, 3, 3, 2, 6 and 1. Now in this expression, x is positive, so it means that it has to make so that means the larger number has to be positive. So we'll see, we'll subtract. Now let's put them into brackets, which we'll start with this side because it's going to get a little bit tricky in this side. It'll be x multiplied by x plus 3, and now this side, which will be minus 2 x plus 3. Remember, these two brackets will always be the same. Now it's plus 3 over here because, as we said before, minus multiplied by plus equals minus, which makes minus 6. Now we'll simplify this even more by making it x minus 2 x plus 3. Now if you have written this as minus 2 plus x and x plus 3, then that is also correct. One minus 4 equals minus 3, 2 minus 2 is equal to 0, and 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So it can't be this and it can't be this, so it is this. So there is no middle value, but we'll split them. So x squared plus 2x minus 2x minus 4. Now as you can see, we can put this into brackets once again. We'll start with this side, which will make minus 2 x plus 2, and the other side x plus x plus 2. Now we can simplify this even further by making it x minus 2 x plus 2. Now if you have written it as minus 2 plus x and x plus 2, then you are also correct. And if you're ever in doubt if your factorized form is correct, you can always expand it and see if it is correct. So let's try expanding it. So x minus 2x plus 2, we'll try expanding this. So we'll use the FOIL method. So first, outer, inner, and last. So we'll start first, so it's x squared. So then outer, so it's plus 2x, inner, so it's minus 2x, and minus 4. Now we'll simplify this, which makes x squared minus 4. And this is our first expression. So that will be it for today's episode. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helped.